my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I Miss Pinky welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic of chapter 11 and today we will discuss about temperature. Okay, now let us start. First of all, let us see what is the meaning of temperature. Yes, it's a measure of hotness or coldness of a body, object or substance, or we can say temperature is the measure to describe how hot or cold something is. We can find out how hot a coffee is or how cool a drink is by measuring its temperature. बेटा जो चीज ठंडी होती है उसका टेम्परेचर कैसा होता है? कम। और जो चीज गर्म होती है उसका टेम्परेचर कैसा होता है? ज्यादा। ओके। और हमें फीवर का कैसे पता चलता है? यस, व्हेन वी चेक टेम्परेचर ऑफ आवर बॉडी। ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू टेम्परेचर, टेम्परेचर के अनुसार ही हमें पता चलता है कि हमें फीवर है या नहीं है। ओके, सो टेम्परेचर इज वेरी यूजफुल इन आवर डेली लाइफ। स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ कैन वी मेजर द टेम्परेचर? यस, बाय यूजिंग थर्मोमीटर। Thermometer is the most common instrument used to measure body temperatures and atmosphere temperatures. Okay, and we have two units for measuring temperature, and these are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and here you can see this is the symbol for degree Celsius. Okay, and here beta you can see this very small circle. Okay, this is the symbol for degree and this capital C is the symbol of Celsius. Okay, and here you can see this small circle is symbol for degree and this capital F is symbol for Fahrenheit. Okay, so degree Celsius, this is the symbol for degree Celsius and this is the symbol for degree Fahrenheit. Students, if the given temperature is in degree Celsius, then we can convert it into degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and if the given temperature is in degree Fahrenheit, then we can convert it into degree Celsius. Okay, now let us see how can we convert. Students, when we convert the temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, then we have to use this formula. Okay, beta here we have to write the given temperature. Okay, और हमारा यहाँ टेम्परेचर किसके अकॉर्डिंग है? अकॉर्डिंग टू डिग्री सेल्सियस. So here we have to write the given temperature and then we have to multiply it with 9/5. एंड उसके बाद जो हमारा आंसर आएगा उसमें हमें किसको ऐड करना है? 32 को. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 9/5 एंड देन वी हैव टू ऐड 32. एंड व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट द गिवन टेम्परेचर, व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट द टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम Fahrenheit, from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, then we have to use this formula. Okay, first we have to subtract 32. In this we have to subtract 32 from the given temperature and then we have to multiply it with 5/9. It's the reverse of it. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? पहले क्या करना बेटा? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 9/5 and then we have to add 32. But in this we have to subtract 32 and then we have to multiply with 5/9. Let's take one example. Okay, here we have to convert 45 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so here we have to use this formula. Okay, and what is the formula? First let us write it. Temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and here we have to write formula. And what is the formula? Yes, degree Celsius multiply 9 by 5 and then plus 32. So here we have to write the given temperature. Write the given temperature. Okay, and here you can see given temperature is 45 degree Celsius. Okay, so here we have to write 45. Multiply 9 by 5 then plus 32. First we have to solve it, and here you can see here we have 45 as a numerator, here 9 and here 5 as a denominator. Okay, so we can cancel it, 5 and 45 with 5 1 jar 5 and 5 9 jar 45. So beta here we have to multiply 9 with 9. 9 9 jar 81 and then we have to add 32. 1 and 2 3, 8 and 3 11. So now our answer will be 113 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, and 45 degrees Celsius is equal to 113 degree Fahrenheit. Both are same. Students, here our answer is 113 degree Fahrenheit. Now let us take it as a question. Okay. Now let us convert it into degree Celsius. Okay. Here I have written convert 113 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Okay. So first of all beta, here we have to write the formula. Okay. And what is the formula? Yes. Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. So first of all here we have to write the given temperature, and here given temperature is 113 degree Fahrenheit. Now we have to subtract 32 from the given temperature and then multiply it with 5 by 9. Now when we subtract it, we will get 3 minus 2 1, 11 minus 3 8, 81. Multiply 5 by 9, and now here you can see here beta we can cancel it. 81 and 9 दोनों को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, cancel, because we can cancel it with 9. Okay, both are divisible with 9. 9 1 jar 9 and 9 9 jar 81. Now here we have 9 and here 5. 9 5 jar 45. So what is the answer? Yes, 45 degree Celsius. 45 degree Celsius will be our answer. Okay. So now beta you can see when we convert 45 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, then we get 113 degree Fahrenheit, and when we convert 113 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius, then again we get 45 degree Celsius. Okay, so we can say that 113 degree Fahrenheit and 45 degree Celsius both are same.